Hello students, welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and I am a BTech from IIT-BHU. Today we'll be discussing the solutions to IIT JEE Advanced 2014 Chemistry Paper 1. The paper code which we are using is 5. So in case you have the code, you can follow the questions from there. Let us look at question number 4. Question number 4 is from the topic of electrochemistry, and we have been asked to describe the functions of a salt bridge. Now salt bridge is one of the favorites of IIT JEE paper setters. Every 2 or 3 years you would find questions about salt bridge appearing in the JEE. So we have been given some properties or some functions and we have to select the correct one out of them. So it states that in a galvanic cell, the salt bridge, first option says that does not participate chemically in the cell reaction. Now obviously this is a correct answer, because if I try to briefly explain you the function of a salt bridge, suppose I have a galvanic cell over here. Here I have my anode, which is a zinc electrode, and here let's say I have a solution of Cu2+. I am considering a Daniell cell. Okay, so this is my solution of Cu2+, and this is my solution of Zn2+. In this I have a zinc rod, and in this I have a copper rod. This is my Zn solid and this is my copper solid. Okay, this is a copper solid rod, and we connect the two of them by means of an external wire. So this is a cell which we get. Now as you all must be knowing that we attach a porous tube over here, an inverted U tube, and this inverted U tube contains an inert electrolyte. Okay, so this inverted tube is known as your salt bridge. Fine, and this salt bridge consists of an inert electrolyte. That means it does not participate in the cell reaction. So A is going to be a correct answer. Stops the diffusion of ions from one electrode to another. Now what salt bridge essentially does is that as this solution, because at anode your oxidation is going to happen. Okay, so Zn is going to get oxidized into Zn2 plus 2 electron. Now as this reaction will happen, this solution will develop an excess of cations, that is a net positive charge. So what salt bridge does is that is it supplies the anion. Let us say we have KCl over here, so it will supply the anion, that is Cl minus, in this solution, and at the cathode there will be reduction. So Cu2 plus 2 electron is going to Cu. So cations will be consumed from this solution and there will be a net negative charge. So salt bridge will supply a positive charge over here. So fundamentally it's preventing the diffusion of ions from one electrode to another. So B is also going to be the correct option. C, it's necessary for occurrence of cell reaction, of course, because if salt bridge is not present, we all know that the reaction would immediately stop. So C is also going to be a correct option. D would not be correct, because as a matter of fact we introduced the salt bridge to prevent the mixing of two electrolytic solutions. So the correct options would be A, B and C.